341 across. Let's get 20. That's close. Type train. From my first stop on the Gemini 1.
Is this a Gemini 1 then?
Yeah.
It's a G1. We got G2s, G3s, the approaches.
Are they more or less the same shape though as the two? No. Oh, okay.
Trevor, I've got some happy to you, Buster.
Oh. Tell me.
We're going to go through some vents. Look to your right.
Hayden? 1, 2, 2. That's my right, what do you mean?
There's a vent straight ahead.
Oh.
There's a vent.
Oh, no. You wouldn't, would you? Knowing you would.
Yeah.
Don't be bullshit, do you?
No.
I can sit there, but there's a foot there.
Used to do it.
I'd sit there, but there's a foot on the chair. No, but there's another one coming. Do you know what this is? Do you know what it is? What I'm doing. Do you know what it is?
Exactly.
Say yes or no. Do you know what it is? No. I said you don't know, do you? Nor do I, but here comes another one. Sorry. Where's Peter's car? It's alright. If you don't hear from now, I'll be coming back with you.
There's a car for the test there. This has got B7 engine in it, or B9.
Any visible differences there?
Yeah, on the G2 you wouldn't have that. Come on, sit there.
Right?
You wouldn't have that seat. That would look like.
Oh, okay. Right.
That's what so you got the extra work back, whereas it's short, isn't it?
Oh, okay.
So, yeah.
When I get up on it, so pick that out and I'll see. I'm not even going around events. I've got it wrong. What's the matter? What's the matter now?
He's a lawyer.
What's he annoyed at?
That's what some of your friends.
Very simple.
And some
WVL. Golden sex one. Yeah, okay, mate. Yeah. I've seen the 38, but 75. Can't remember where I saw it. I know exactly where I saw it, but I can't. Oh, guess what? One RLX 230, so £5. Wing mirror was on the mirror. The traffic game that just on that stuff he got there. You know when I go to ambulance, and so I have to get and then it makes me big round where I always go.
I saw something that died there.
Ladybridge Station! So when are you doing it next weekend? Where would it end up and at what time? At what time? And then?
see how the Volvo specialists are. Smooth. So I mean, the Volvo is yes.
Oh, yes.
That gives time.
This is the right.
So this shit station.
Sounds like it.
You reckon? From the outside.
That's just the inside.
That's true. Is that? You're not dragging it across the ship.
With those rings.
Right?
Version. Awesome version.
I'll just get you.
The shit!
What? Oh yeah, that's right. I think it's